Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore deed transfer tracking using Recorder of Deeds services step by step clearly. To restore deed transfer tracking using the Recorder of Deeds services, start by gathering the necessary documents. Visit your local Recorder of Deeds office's website to find specific requirements. Check for any necessary forms that need to be filled out for deed transfer tracking restoration. Download and print the required forms or obtain them directly from the office. Fill out the forms carefully, ensuring all required information is complete and accurate. Prepare any additional documentation that may support your request. This may include identification, previous deed information, or proof of ownership. Contact the Recorder of Deeds office to confirm any specific fees associated with the restoration process. Gather payment in the form specified by the office, which may include checks or credit card information. Visit the Recorder of Deeds office in person during their operating hours, or check if they offer online submission options. If visiting in person, bring all completed forms, supporting documentation, and payment. Submit your completed forms and payment to the appropriate staff member. Ask to receive a confirmation or reference number for your request. If submitting online, follow the website prompts to upload your documents and payment information. Ensure you keep copies of all submitted paperwork for your records. After submission, inquire about the expected timeline for processing your request. Monitor your email or provide a phone number for updates on the status of your restoration. Once your request is processed, verify that your deed transfer tracking has been successfully restored. If there are any issues, follow up with the office to resolve them promptly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.